Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we will see how to make thick curd in 3 hours. Boil half a liter of full cream milk in a pan. When it starts boiling, reduce the flame and boil it over low flame for 5 minutes. Then turn off the flame. Take 2 tablespoons of curd in a mixing bowl. Mix well and keep it aside. When the milk becomes lukewarm, add the curd and mix well. Take a casserole and keep a bowl inside. Pour the mixture and cover the bowl with a lid. Now pour boiling water into the casserole up to 3/4 level of the bowl. Cover it with the lid. After 3 hours, open the casserole. Thick curd is ready to serve. Please try it out and post your feedback.